welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. As you guys can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be unboxing the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Pricked collection. I have not done an unboxing on my YouTube in a while because I was trying to do it on Instagram stories, but that was a flop. So we are back to YouTube. So the slogan for my YouTube channel is beauty and business. Now here is the beauty part. So let's hop into this unboxing. So as you guys know, we always get our Jeffree Star PR in a huge box like this. So this was the box for the Prick collection. It came with this super cute tissue paper. Here's some tissue paper ASMR. Okay. Okay, so hopping straight into this review and unboxing, here is the Pricked palette. Yay! So this is what the palette looks like inside of its carton. I absolutely love the carton. I'm actually going to be saving it because I love the color of this Pricked carton. I like the peachy autumn vibes. I am here for it. So I'm saving that carton. Here is what the palette looks like. Once you take the carton off, you have this super cute brownish, autumnish, burgundy-ish color with the pricked barbed wires on the front. Cool about the palette is the way that the palette opens. I absolutely love the clasp. This palette is absolutely beautiful. I love the colors and I also love the payoff on the shadows, as you guys are gonna see when I post the tutorial for the look that I did today. The swatches, you guys know I suck at swatches. If I'm not using a stencil, then they're gonna come out crappy because I need to use a stencil to make them look perfect. But yeah, this is what the swatches look like. No, they're not perfect, but you can see the color story that the palette has, and I absolutely love it. And I think you guys will also love these shades that are in this palette. They're so pretty, so colorful, so fall, so autumn, so hocus pocus. Look how pretty. Okay, so I absolutely love the eyeshadow palette. I feel like it's literally the perfect fall palette. Like when I think of fall, I think of those colors. So Jeffree Star Cosmetics, they nailed it with that. Okay, so now we are moving on to the highlighters. This is the packaging of the Supreme Frost. Again, it has that super cute coral peach-ish shade. I love this color. And this is the one that we actually used today, which is the Citrus Bling. And it looks like this. Super pretty. I love the print on this highlighter. So freaking cute. I use this for today's look, if you guys can see. So if you guys are wondering if this shade looks nice on my skin tone, it definitely does. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty that shade is. This shade is going to be Krystal Kumquat. It is a darker shade, but it's also very pretty. Let me do a really quick swatch for you guys. On my arm, it looks like this. Woo! That is so pretty. And I'm just going to try to swatch it. Okay guys, so the next thing we're gonna be hopping into is going to be the 3 new lip scrubs. I am completely obsessed. Like when I opened my PR package, this is the first thing I seen because I love teddy bears. And I seen these prints on there. I was like, oh my God, these are so freaking cute. I have not opened them. So I'm gonna open them with you guys right now and you guys are gonna see how I feel about the smells. So the first lip scrub, I'm excited for this because I know they always smell good. So the first one is the orange gummy bear. Oh my God, I want to eat this. Are we allowed to eat this? Wow. That tastes so good. Wow. Wow. I feel like to eat that whole jar. So the next lip scrub is going to be Cantaloupe. I used to like Cantaloupe when I was younger. This smells just like Cantaloupe. Again, I'm gonna taste it because I have very yummy. Wow. Jeffree Star Cosmetics candy coming soon. They need to come out with candy because this smells so good. So this one is Blood Orange. Can we get a body scrub? This Blood Orange one tastes more like candy than all of them. Oh my gosh, stop. So freaking yummy, oh my gosh. If you guys was to ask me which lip scrub I would recommend, I don't know, because they all taste amazing and they smell amazing. So whichever one you choose, they're all gonna be good. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the liquid lipsticks. Okay, so this is the packaging of the liquid lipstick. Again, we have that super duper pretty coral peachy shade, and let's unbox them. So this is what the packaging looks like. Again, that super cute peachy coral shade. I absolutely love it. I have on 2 of the liquid lipsticks today. I kind of created like a ombre effect. I love these 2 colors. I love how it came out. So now let's get into swatching these on my arm. Okay guys, so here are all of the liquid lipsticks swatched, and I love them all. How beautiful. That no squeeze shade on the end, the super light one, is about to be my new favorite. So here are the swatches. Okay guys, so into the Supreme glosses. I'm obsessed with their glosses anyway. These shade additions are just gonna make things even worse because they're all amazing. Okay, the same beautiful coral shade, but this packaging is actually holographic. Look at that. Ooh, look at those reflex. Love that. Okay, so here is how the wand looks. Hello Peachy shade. This is so freaking cute. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and swatch them on my arm so you guys can see how they look on my skin tone. Are the glosses swatch on the bottom. This is every shade of the lip gloss, and now you can see the glosses compared to the liquid lipsticks. Very autumn-y, very fall-y. Those words sound so funny, but yeah. Here are the swatches. Swatch it like it's hot. Swatch it like it's hot. Me and Jay, swatch it like it's hot. Why do I play so much? Okay, so we've seen almost all of it. We've seen the palette, we've seen the highlighter, we've seen the liquid lipsticks, we've seen the lip gloss, and we've seen the scrubs. So this is a mirror that I got from the collection. You know, the mirrors come very random, but I'm super happy I got this color mirror. It's so pretty. I do love orange. Like, besides pink, my next favorite color is yellow. So besides yellow comes like orange. So yeah. This is the crown mirror, and it is like a velvety, not velvety, like silky, smooth. So this is a smooth based mirror, and I absolutely love it. The mirror is pretty big, so yeah, this is the mirror, and that is going to complete my unboxing. Now we are going to talk about the products. I mean, you guys probably already know what's coming. I used the palette today to create this look. I also use the lipsticks to do my lips today, and I love this entire collection. I feel like there has not been a Jeffree Star Cosmetics collection that has let me down yet, because their quality is always amazing, and every time I'm impressed. Like, when I get a collection, I think, oh my god, this one's my favorite, and then they come out with another one and I'm like, oh my god, this one's my favorite. Like, they're all my favorite. I love the quality, and I just love how the brand is like such an experience. Like, what other makeup brand is doing this? None. So that's why I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So yeah, that's gonna be it for my video unboxing this Pricked collection. If I could recommend you guys get anything from this palette, it would probably be the palette and the lip scrubs, because they smell so yummy. Jeffree Star Cosmetics, candy please. Okay, so if you guys want swatches of the liquid lipsticks and the lip glosses, you guys are gonna have to work for them. You're gonna have to get this video to 500 likes. Then I will do the lip swatches, because those swatches take so long to do, and like, I need to know that you guys really need it, like you really want it. So like this video, get it to 500 likes, and I'll do the swatches. If not, then you must not really want it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love doing these type of unboxings. So if you guys love Jeffree Star Cosmetics and you like seeing these type of unboxings, definitely subscribe to my channel because I will be unboxing every collection. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.